So Wizkid is about to drop his new Fuji type of song and is open on DJ Tunes Akpala disco sound. Guys, this thing don't cause many mixed reaction among fans, because some fans have been saying that will Wizkid be able to deliver this kind of Fuji song being a first time? Fans are already tagging SEYI Vibes in the comment section, asking DJ Tunes to feature SEYI Vibes in this new Wizkid Akpala disco sound, because they know that SEYI Vibes is the king of Fuji song. When it comes to delivering of Fuji, SEYI Vibes is the king. So let's see what a fan said in the comment section. I need come for all this empty brain where they try to spoil Akpala music. SEYI wey don flop for him style, won't come they sing the most powerful game for all music in Africa. Make una dey play. As guys, no be small thing. He went on to say this again. Let's read. Waiting all this empty brain won't sing on Akpala. Abeg make una no come spoil my great work. Same way una spoil Afrobeat too. No be small thing. This one shocked me. Do you guys think Wizkid will deliver in this kind of Fuji style, or do you think Wizkid will help SEYI Vibes in this new Akpala disco sound? Share your comment in the comment section while I leave the rest of the video for you to enjoy. Peace out. Thank you.
I'm